Good morning. Good morning from Melbourne, Australia. Good evening to friends in North America, and hello to anyone watching on replay. My name is Nancy Hetker, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Melbourne, Australia. Here today for a special live video. It is time for Stampin' Up's OnStage convention. Usually we get to go to them somewhere in our region, but thanks to the coronavirus, this year we are all on stage at home. So that means that I get to share bits and pieces with you as it happens, including we were able to order our OnStage swag box, and this is always great fun at convention to see what you get in your convention bag usually. And I have been very good, and I've not been seeing what other people have posted, and all I've done is take the plastic wrapper off of mine. I have not opened it at all. Oh, hello Noah. My seeing eye dog puppy in training is refusing to settle down for a nap, so you may hear him a little bit this morning, but he's perfectly fine. He's on a tether here in my craft room, and he's just not very happy about it. Excuse me 1 second. Here, buddy. Come here. Here. Here's your toys. He's got a whole plethora of toys, and he just has decided that everything's better outside my craft room when it's not. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna open this up and see what's in here. You guys get to see along with me. So here we go. First of all, we have a message from Sarah. Lots of fun stuff to enhance your OnStage at home experience. So let's see what this is. Yay, another bag. We like bags. I like bags. What kind of bag is it? Ooh. I'm going to move this box a little bit because it's just going to be in the way. It's a nice big tote, which is good, especially now I'm here in doing the urban lifestyle thing with no car, so I'm happy to have totes to carry things. A nice, look at that, nice Stampin' Up! Logo on there, nice outside pocket for things. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh, a pocket on the back side too. Pocket, can't have enough pockets. A double zip. Don't know if you can see that. Woohoo! Fun popsicle ombre liner. Another inside pocket with a nice light silver lining, gray. Some goodies, including, I don't know, can you guys see all of this? You didn't order the swag box, Nikki? Sorry. I know they sold out here in Australia. Ooh. The rainbow pen. That's fun. Same colors as this. And what else is in here? And it's not really insulated there, but I see there's another pocket down here. Ooh. So I suppose if you were going to the gym or something, that could be your shoe pocket. Anyway, it's a whole nother pocket to carry stuff. Good, good, good. That's a nice bag. Shelly, I know, Shelly and Sarah were on doing talking about how excited they were for this event, and Shelly's like, I love bags, and there's another bag, and it's a great bag. It's a fabulous bag, and it is. It's a fabulous bag. It's going on the floor right now. And in that bag was a new stamp set, and I believe I can go ahead and show this to you. I do love the bag, Gladys. Enjoy the moment, and it's got all these different seed pods. Very cute. It's a sketchy stamp set. So I'm going to tell you this is going to be in the new mini catalog, because that's what they give us, the stuff from the mini catalog. So that's good. Oh, Noah thinks he wants to get my bag, but he can't reach it. And then here are, oh fun, some trading pins. Put these Stampin' Up! Pins on your lanyard and trade them for the styles you like best with your fellow demonstrators during OnStage. Yeah, well, there's a kangaroo. That's not going anywhere, because here we are in Australia. OnStage, that's not going anywhere. And a strawberry. I like them all. We'll see what people come up with that they want to trade for. I'm not putting them on my lanyard. I've got a little canvas that I put my Stampin' Up! Pins on, so those will go on there and get displayed in my craft room. Let's see what's next here. This looks like November 2020 OnStage notebooks. Let's see what these are. I'll just carefully here undo the plastic. It's fun to have notebooks of different sizes. Recycling. Yeah. I wonder if this is some designer series paper that's coming up. A lot of times they do that. Oh, I like the lines to write on. The dots are okay, but I find stuff gets lost sometimes, especially if it's too dark. And I like the grid paper to write on. So yeah, those are nice. And then there's stickers to decorate them with. Yeah. Love the dragonflies and the butterflies and flamingos. I'm not a huge fan of the lips, but that's me. Cool. Fun stuff. What else? Oh, looks like grid paper and some fun colors. It's all blue. Yep. Piece of cardboard on the back. And grid in inches on this side and centimeters on this side. Yeah. It's all right. How many pieces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, I think I've got class kits going out to, what, 4 different people, I think? Maybe they'll each get a piece of this. Hi, Robin. Yeah, it's fun stuff. And then here's the whole, that's the inside of the box. So, yeah, I think that bag is fantastic. It's going to sit on the shoulder nicely, carry a lot of stuff. I love the one that we got from Auckland, what, 2019? I use that one all the time. So this one with the zipper is going to be at least as good. Yeah, so let's bring this stuff back in. Oh, Noah. Oh, Noah. So there's the notebooks, and the pins, and the pen, and the stamp set. Let's see what we got showing here. Here's the stamp set. Oh, Noah, you're fine. And this big old bag that I don't think you can see. There we go, there's part of it. It's got that bottom. Yeah, so that's what was in my swag box. I'm looking forward to that. I can also show you really fast here. This is, we were also able to go ahead and order for what would be the make and takes if we were actually attending in person, but the stamping stuff that we're doing during the convention. This Dragonfly Garden stamp set. Oh, Noah. Oh my. Sorry, everybody. And this is the Dandy Garden Designer Series paper. Oh. And it's really cool. Oh, and it's got a coordinating punch, a lot like the butterfly punch, where it's got the two sizes right in the same punch, and that will punch out these dragonflies, and then it's got nice florals on one side, and I'll turn it over so you can see the other side. Some great tone and white designs. So that's going to be fun to play with, and when I get off with you guys, I'm going to go cut my pieces for the make and takes. Yeah, so OnStage gets started Thursday night, which is tonight here in Australia, with recognition of achievements in the Stampin' Up! Year that's just ended. I'm looking forward to seeing that tonight. Oh my goodness, he's frustrated, but he'll settle eventually. Probably about the time I sign off. And yeah, and then all day Friday and Saturday we're doing some fun stuff, I'm sure. Lots of exciting stuff. If you are not a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and would like to get in on the fun next time, feel free to get in touch with me about joining my team. And you'll have the opportunity to do these demonstrator-only events as well. So that's what I have for you today. I just wanted to share what was in my box and other things that are only for people attending OnStage. And I will see you next week at my regular Facebook time and place. I may pop on again if there's anything exciting to share from OnStage before then. But yeah, otherwise, see you next week. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.